Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 10 SE, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM ejector, as I have one right over here. And you can get that in the box with the device, or you can also use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. It should work just as well, actually. So from there we will need to pop out the tray, which let me quickly see where it is after I take off the casing. So it looks like it's on the upper left side of the device, right over here. So I'm gonna take the tool, find the insert, which is right above the button. From there, push it in firmly, and the tray will pop out. Now once you take it out, you will have space for one SIM card and one SD card, so place them accordingly. They need to lay flush on the tray, like so. Like so. Like so. Now, as you can see, there is nothing really holding them in place, so they will fall out easily. But make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, and then while actually holding it securely, so like I said, it doesn't fall out, simply insert it back into the device. There we go. And let's wait for the pin. There we go. So there's the pin for the SIM card, and that makes it obvious, I guess, that SIM card is working, and let's see, SD card is working as well, as you can see based on that message. So that is how you would insert both of them, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.